Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Battlefield 6 content not installed error, or when you launch the Battlefield 6 you get the multiplayer not installed purchase to play error. So if you're getting this error, then here are some of the possible fixes. But before that, let me tell you, the developers of the games are aware of this issue and the team is investigating the issue and they will fix this issue as soon as possible. But in the meantime, here is the fixes that you can try. The fixed one is to spam the join button. So go to the community, click on search and type top screen server, hover over a server, then press X to view more info, then spam the join button. You may not get successful in the first attempt. You may have to spam the join button 2 or 3 times or several times, and finally it will take you to the queue and you will be able to play the game. So currently this is the only fix that is working for many players, and I hope this will work for you as well. Now this error is only affecting the EA app users. So if you want to switch to Steam, then second fix is to switch to Steam. So open Steam, go to the store page, then search for Battlefield 6, and then you can purchase Battlefield 6 from the Steam, and then you can install it and play the game as of now. So I hope by this way you will be able to fix content not installed error or multiplayer purchase to play error in Battlefield 6. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.